All right, hi. My name is Risner, and I'm a technical evangelist for Microsoft. My focus is on mobile connectivity into Windows Azure, which is our cloud computing platform. Just yesterday at the keynote, we announced that we now have support for Windows Phone 8 with mobile services. If you haven't used mobile services, it's a relatively new offering that we have that enables you to spin up a back-end which you can then connect your mobile clients to, and it offers things like data storage, authentication, and push notifications with a lot more features to come. So yesterday, like I said, we announced support for Windows Phone 8. So now, right after you spin up a mobile service, you can either download a starter package or you can see the source code to connect your own Windows Phone 8 application into mobile services. So basically, when you do this, you get the ability to create or store schemaless data or dynamically schematized data in the back end. So you just say, I want to store some data from your Windows Phone 8, and mobile services will then figure out how to store it for you, which is really powerful and makes it much easier if you're creating an application for Windows Phone to store that data and not really worry about the back end, which is the whole point of mobile services. So in addition to that, you also get the ability to authenticate with either Microsoft accounts, Google accounts, Twitter, or Facebook. Really easy to do in just a single line of code. You connect your mobile service to an app you create in one of those portals. So, example, you go create a Twitter app and you just connect that into your mobile service, and then in one line of code you can authenticate from your Windows Phone application into those providers. And then the third thing that we have right now is push notifications. So when you save data into mobile services, you get to fire a server-side script, which basically you can intercept anything you're doing. So if you're saving data or you're reading data or you're updating data, and when you do that, you can actually write a script using JavaScript, or it's like a server-side Node.js that you can write scripts in to alter that data, validate that data, or actually perform push notifications. So if, for example, I uploaded some information and I wanted to push that out to all of my users, inside of my script I could just loop through my users and say I want to send a push notification to each user. Or if you have two users and they connect and they become friends, you can then send push notifications back and forth between the two by just looking up in your data. So like I said, with Windows Phone 8 and mobile services, you can really easily and quickly spin up a back end that gives you really powerful capabilities that you don't really have to worry about how it works or setting it up. You just connect from your Windows Phone application. And we're going to have a lot more features and make it a lot easier for you to do many other things coming soon for your Windows Phone 8 applications.